Whether we are traveling, at home, or in the office, most of us rely heavily on machines that can process and store data. More specifically, most business transactions occur using laptop and desktop systems. This training is going to teach you about the protection of these systems. The products that we're going to introduce help corporations protect against data loss when laptop and desktop systems are lost or stolen. This is the primary use case for these products. So is this a big problem? Well, according to some estimates, over 50% of critical corporate data resides on unprotected laptops and desktops. And one laptop is stolen every minute of every day. Many of these laptops have critical information on them. The loss of these small, fairly inexpensive systems can have disastrous consequences for the companies that own them. We're all tied to these devices. We do our work on them. They store a lot of our important information. Join us now as Jeremiah Grother from Symantec Education Services introduces you to our drive encryption and removable media encryption products.
Hello, and welcome to the Symantec Endpoint Encryption version 11 training. Thanks for joining us in this presentation. Here we will have an overview of the latest Symantec Endpoint Encryption release and look at the configuration and features available. There will be quizzes and labs to test your knowledge along the way. These are the topics we will be covering during this training. Occasionally, we will refer back to these slides so you can monitor your progress through the topics. Now we will have a quick introduction to the training format. The purpose of this training is to ready you for success with Symantec Endpoint Encryption, specifically in regards to drive encryption and removable media encryption. After this training, you should be able to install and troubleshoot installation and features of Symantec Endpoint Encryption. There are labs and demonstrations throughout this training so you can gain first-hand experience working with the product. First, a quiz to see what you already know about Symantec Endpoint Encryption and help you gauge where you require additional information. Don't worry if you cannot answer all of the questions. It will help you understand where your baseline is for the rest of this training. When you have completed the training, you will be able to answer all of these quiz questions, no problem.